If you're familiar with the Climatographer's website or our blogs, you've seen the cartoon of the 1 million piece climate change jigsaw puzzle. We love the metaphor and think that it helps illustrate the complexity of tackling climate change. 1 million pieces is indeed a lot of pieces. And in fact, there is work out there trying to identify the pieces of the jigsaw puzzle, including the well-known Project Drawdown report from Paul Hawken's team. This screenshot summarizes how Project Drawdown is reflected in the climate web. But I would argue there are three fundamental problems with the jigsaw puzzle metaphor. The first is that it suggests a very deterministic outcome, namely that solving climate change is a matter of working through a static set of pieces to put them together in the one way that the puzzle can get completed. And that in turn suggests that if we keep at it long enough, we'll succeed, not unlike the idea of chimpanzees typing the works of Shakespeare if you give them enough time at the keyboard. Last, the jigsaw puzzle metaphor makes it very easy for each of us to believe that our piece of the million-piece jigsaw puzzle will be the key to completing the puzzle. Indeed, the vast majority of individuals and organizations working on climate change focus almost exclusively on one piece of the hypothetical million-piece jigsaw puzzle, and many do see their piece as the linchpin to climate success. Here's an alternative view. The goal of climate change mitigation efforts is a low-carbon economy, which is sort of off in the distance, hard to see. But there is no clear path to that goal. There are many potential paths, and not every piece is equal. They may have different capabilities and powers. They may even have different capabilities and powers at different times. And there are pieces actively trying to block your path, an opposing team. In other words, thinking about moving from where we are today to where we want to go in terms of a low-carbon economy is a lot like a planetary chess game, climate chess. Which is why the climate web extensively maps out the game of climate chess, identifying more than 200 moves and pieces. Only by thinking of climate change in a very strategic way is significantly accelerated progress towards a low-carbon transition likely to be achieved. And that requires going beyond each of us focusing almost exclusively on our individual piece of the million-piece jigsaw puzzle. We'll explore the climate chess theme in other videos, and if you're interested in using the climate web to help us play better climate chess, please be in touch.